Hello, welcome to my cooking channel, Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm just making a lunch. This is yogurt, the gravy curry for the rice. That is what I am making today. This is 1 cup of yogurt, and then I added 1 cup of water into it, made it into loose, and then beat it a little bit. And to start with, I already fried some onions, and I'm just adding it. And now I am going to do the tadka in the same oil which I used for the onions. It's hot now. Adding one by one. Today I am making it in a special way. I am using some tomato in that. Starting with a few peppercorns, so I know the heat. I have 2 red chilies. Used out. I switched off a little bit. That's why it's cold now. The oil has to be reheated now. Water. Fenugreek seeds into it. Some mustard. I'm not measuring. I'm just putting cumin seeds. Curry leaves. Some green chilies. Reducing the heat. I'm adding a little hing, not too much, very little. And I have a little bit of chili powder, just a little for the color. I'm adding very little turmeric, and that's it. And I'm into that. I am mixing some tomato. This is 3 tomatoes I pureed. So I'm going to add today I'm making tomato yogurt gravy. So just cook it a little bit. And whenever I add tomato, I will add a little bit sugar into that. So let me first add my salt. Half a teaspoon salt. Okay. I forgot to add something. I have some ginger and garlic. I'm just adding it now. Crushed ginger, garlic. I forgot to add it in the oil. That's okay. I was planning to, but then I'm adding half a teaspoon of sugar. And you cook it till the oil separates. And now you can see the oil is separated. It is cooked well. Everything is a nice smell. Already spices cooked well. I'm switching off the stove now. It's important when you add yogurt. I'm going to mix the yogurt into that and quickly take it out. You have to constantly stir. This is one way of making the yogurt curry for the rice. Very tasty. And it will stay fresh for a couple of days in the refrigerator. And that's it. It's done now. I'm going to transfer it to the original plate because we don't want it, just a little bit heated, that's all. I'm taking it, pouring it back into the same. And this is my tasty yogurt curry or kadhi. You can drink it as a soup, or you can mix it with rice. You can have it with chapati. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you have any comments, let me know. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.